Right now, 95% of people are wasting the most powerful hours of their day. While you're asleep, they're awake. While you're scrolling, they're building. And in 365 days, you'll watch them succeed and lie to yourself. Next year. But next year never comes. The world's top CEOs, athletes, and billionaires all share one secret weapon. It's not talent. It's not luck. It's 5 a.m. Science proves your brain is 40% sharper in the first 90 minutes after waking, but 99% of people sacrifice this time to blankets. Here's the dark truth. Every day, you hit snooze, you gift your best energy to pillows. You donate your focus to memes. You trade your dreams for 9 more minutes of fake comfort. Meanwhile, your competition is already on rep 50, already closing deals, already winning. But today, you change. Tomorrow, set your alarm for 5 a.m., not to work more to claim your golden hours. Drink water, move your body, write one goal. For 21 days, protect this time like your life depends on it, because it does. In 5 years, you'll either be the person who changed everything tomorrow or the person who wasted 1,825 sunrises. Your choice. Your life start now.